Hi, how you doing? This is Side and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how much time you should spend in your affiliate marketing business. So first things first, you should be aware that affiliate marketing is definitely not a short-term venture, right? If you want to build a long-lasting, sustainable affiliate marketing business, then you must put in a lot of hard work, sweat equity, smart work, and implement proven strategies into your business. And when you put in the work, it will of course require investment in your time, as there is lots of things to build and ongoing work in your affiliate marketing business. It's an ongoing process. Now the question, to how much time should you spend in your business, it all depends on how much time do you have to allocate in your business out of the 24-hour day. So I appreciate also and understand that many people start affiliate marketing on the side as a part-time venture alongside their full-time job or other commitments, for example, family, care commitments, kids and all that, that's understandable. But remember, affiliate marketing is your own business. You are the boss. There's no 9 to 5 or other common, fixed type job hours that, have been set. So it's all down to you. It's flexible, and that's one of the major benefits of affiliate marketing, is that your working hours are flexible and you can work when you want, a day, night, evening, etc. So, you have to first figure out what your commitments are on a day-to-day basis before you can allocate time on your affiliate marketing business, because everyone's circumstances may be different. For example, when I'm at home, my best working hours are early hours in the morning, because all my family members are sleeping, and this way I can work, sit down with a cup of tea and get cracking, in a quiet environment in my business. You will know when is the best working times for you, and that you can put time in your affiliate marketing business. Also remember that affiliate marketing is based on your performance and results, not based on how much time you put in. Like a typical job, for example, where you get paid after you've done a 9 to 5 shift, for example, with affiliate marketing, it's not like that, unfortunately. In affiliate marketing, it's basically like sales, right? You get paid on commissions. So in affiliate marketing, income and success is subject to the type of action that you do within the time frame that you spend in your business. And these actions should have a strategy in combination with smart and hard work. So let's say, for example, you want to learn about how to use Bing advertising to promote your affiliate offers. So you take an online course, and spend around 3 hours studying. So these 3 hours that you spend studying and learning can technically be allocated, to time spent, to grow your affiliate marketing business, right? Because you're studying about how to promote your affiliate offers on Bing. So, however, this studying alone will not get you results until you implement the knowledge that you've gained from the course. So once you apply that knowledge and actually place some ads, you do the action, you take the action, placing some ads to promote your affiliate offers on Bing, only then you can potentially generate some traffic, leads and sales, which will of course lead to commissions for you. So that's results based on, what you do, your actions, your performance. So as you can see from the example, it all depends on the specific actions that you carry out that will drive and grow your affiliate marketing business. Spending 7 hours, just to learn about something, for example, will not alone do anything for you. You must implement what you learn and learn specific things also, not just anything that are that are relevant to growing your business, right? So to summarize, how much should you spend on your affiliate marketing business is down to your circumstances. Sometimes excuses also can be perceived as circumstances that may prevent you from allocating time in your business. For example, one of my daily morning routines is to go for a quick 30-minute jog, or even a walk when it's raining, because I just go for a walk when it's raining. I don't jog, I just take an umbrella, go for a walk or a jog, and put my earphones on, listen to some motivational audio. So some days though, when I'm lazy, I create circumstances and reasons in my mind not to go running or walking, so that it makes me feel good and gives me a valid reason not to go. And that's obviously not good. But when I create these reasons, circumstances not to go, I know deep inside that I'm only doing this because I'm too lazy to get out of the bed, especially when it's, these cold winter mornings, when it's foggy outside and all that, it's, you just don't want to get out of your bed, your comfort. So you'll also know that when some of your circumstances are actually excuses not to spend time in your business. So you are the person that will know this, okay? So when this happens, just be real with with yourself, and just change those circumstances and reasons into work time so that you can spend that time in your business. Right? So at the end of the day, it's your business, so you decide how much time you're spending it. So time spent in your business will only be significant when you carry out more income producing activities, such as the example of placing ads to promote your business. So these are income producing activities. And when you put in more of the income producing activities and time, then you can increase your chances of success in affiliate marketing. So that's it for now. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please comment, like and subscribe. I will appreciate it. And also, if you'd like some free resources on building your affiliate marketing business, you can visit affiliateship.com/free. Thanks again, and see you soon.